Welcome back, viewers. Seems like I've been having a lot of issues with connectivity, and coincidentally, it happened after I went back from a wired connection to a wireless over the Wi-Fi. So I'm switching back to the wired connection to see if it makes any difference. Hello, Janine. How you feeling? Ooh, headbutts. She actually stood on her hind paw and gave me a headbutt, and then realized, oh crap, I just gave him a headbutt. I must stop now. She meowed at me too. Are you gonna roll on the floor for me? Please roll. I'd like to see you roll on the floor again. I like that. She hisses at me, then rubs against my shoe and flops on her side. She has to do the attention giving, not me. She does the petting. I do not do the petting. There is a definite hierarchy here. Okay, you enjoy it, Janine. Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.